Hi everyone, welcome back to Dude's Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best astronomical reflector telescopes you can bring home today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Celestron. Let's get started. Product feature. Patented StarSense technology turns your smartphone into a high-tech celestial navigator, making the vast night sky feel personal and accessible for everyone. Unlike standard apps, its sky recognition system analyzes star patterns in real time to pinpoint your telescope's exact position with incredible precision. Simply dock your phone and launch the StarSense Explorer app to follow easy on-screen arrows that guide you directly to planets, stars, and galaxies. The app creates a tonight's best targets list based on your specific time and location, ensuring you never miss the most beautiful sights in your sky. A 114mm Newtonian reflector with high reflectivity coatings provides stunningly crisp views of Saturn's rings, Jupiter's bands, and the Moon's craters. The manual alt-azimuth mount includes altitude slow-motion adjustments, giving you smooth, precise control to keep celestial wonders perfectly centered. Built by Celestron, a trusted name in astronomy since 1960, this telescope offers reliability and innovation backed by strong warranty support. Pros: this telescope is a total game changer because it removes the frustration of getting lost in the stars. The smartphone integration is incredibly user-friendly, allowing families to bond over amazing discoveries. You get bright, clear views of deep space objects thanks to the high-quality coatings, and the manual controls feel sturdy yet approachable for any beginner. Cons: while the manual mount is smooth, it does require a steady hand to track objects as the Earth rotates, which might take a little practice. Also, as a 114mm reflector, it is a bit larger than some compact travel scopes, so you will need to plan for a little extra space during storage and transport. Final thoughts. There is something truly magical about seeing the rings of Saturn or a distant nebula for the first time with your own eyes. This Celestron telescope isn't just a piece of equipment, it's an invitation to wonder. It bridges the gap between modern technology and the ancient beauty of the cosmos, making you feel connected to the universe in a way that's simple, rewarding, and full of joy. Finding your place among the stars has never been more meaningful or easier to share. Check the price link in the description, subscribe to Dude's Tech, and like this video to keep exploring the future with us.